Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. And in this video we're going to talk about why you should get rid of your phone contract. There's a couple of reasons why you should get rid of your phone contracts. The first one is you're paying more than the actual phone itself.
I would say you would be looking at around maybe $90, somewhere around there.
Oh, $90 a month.
90.
That's a no bueno. Even their offers, is it really unlimited or is it limited? They say it's an upgrade, but yet you're trading in your old phone for a new phone, and guess what? New contract. The iPhone 11 Pro Max, that one is full price at $1,099. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so if you choose $60 plan plus 16, 6 plus, let's say, $9.99 tax, it could be a little bit more, but okay, that's $86.65, right? Times 24. We'll do the 2 years.
No, God!
My thing is, Wi-Fi is everywhere. If you really want to have use of the whole phone without paying anything, use Wi-Fi. Even when you have service, right? You still turn on the Wi-Fi. You ever thought of that? That literally makes no sense.
God!
So just imagine you not having a phone service and you're able to just still make calls and texts. It really makes you think, what are you paying for exactly? Let's think about traveling. I'm a traveler, and when I traveled out to a different country, my phone is not working, but I'm still paying my service fee. Why? I can't use it. I can't make calls unless they charge for roam. Then what is that? That's a ridiculous amount of money I'm paying every month. Here's my suggestion, if you're willing to take it. I would say no contracts. Throw those out. Get rid of contracts. You can still have your phone. Either use Wi-Fi or prepaid, buy minutes. I would say practice to not use your phone as much. This can teach you how to spend more time with yourself. This can teach you how to save money. Think about paying $15 a month, maybe even $25 a month, as little as $25 a month for a monthly fee of using the phone. My suggestion, like I said, is to not have contracts. Get rid of contracts, and I'm all about making it easier for you. I hope this video helped, and thanks for watching.